Bayern Munich coach Thomas Tuchel faces some challenges ahead of the team's Bundesliga game against Hertha Berlin. Some key players are unavailable due to injuries or suspensions. Dayot Upamecano is out for 2 weeks with a muscular problem. Leon Goretzka has a knee contusion but should play. Kingsley Coman also didn't train today but should be ready. Eric Maxim Choupo-Moting is suspended. Tuchel said that Hertha is a difficult opponent to predict, as they recently changed coaches. He stated that Bayern needs to focus on their own performance and not underestimate the rival. According to Tuchel, Bayern's situation is challenging but not impossible to overcome. The situation is clear. We have to win, no matter who the opponent is. To relieve the team's fatigue and recover injured players, Tuchel gave 3 days off at the beginning of the week. He hopes this will help the team perform well on Sunday. What do you think, fans? Can we beat Hertha on Sunday? Leave your comment, like, and also subscribe to the channel. See you later.